Yeah, so hello guys. In this section, I'm looking at scanning the market. That always scan the market. This especially for cryptocurrency. So we're going to do that. I'm going to show you how I scan the market and how I pick my trade. So what I do is I go to my scanner setup. Already, I've set up my parameters. As you can see, these are the assets I have. I'm going to be analyzing. So we'll analyze this on a 1 hour time frame. So let me open this. Also try to analyze this stem. These are crypto-based analysis I'm doing. Now for crypto, it's 24/7 market. So you can see there are a lot of opportunities, a lot of signals that we look into this. All these are what I'll now filter the best of all to know which one I'm going to take. Now in this case, I'm looking at a short-term trade. So now I've done that. One of the assets I'm looking at is what on 1 hour time frame. Now as I can see this is not looking attractive. What I want is something that is close to my support zone. So this is out of it. Look at the next one. This is also close, but it's 1 hour time frame. So looking at Steam. Now Steam is actually heading towards the support zone here. So let me try and zoom out. So from what I've seen here, you can look at what has happened in the past. The way this market is what is spiking back. So if I am meant to enter these trades, I'll look at but the probability setup of this is probably wait for the price to get to here. So most of the time, it's always good to allow the price to come to your entry price. Don't always enter the market. And our target for this trade were here. So if you are to enter that trade, which profit projection should we be looking at from this place to this place? Should give me like 12%. So I'm setting my alerts here. So once it gets here, you should do what you should what trigger my trade setup. So that is the first signal for the trading. In case it dips down, I'm looking at this other area for another what entry. As you can see, this is how I set up my trade. But as you can see in the past, market has been moving around this support zone and this support zone. So our first trade code is where same. So I'm gonna save this and watch what will happen. So let's look out for the other one, which is VGX. So now VGX, as you can see, what has happened? VGX have actually pumped from this support zone here. So from what I'm seeing is there's like a likely areas it could happen. This is a very strong support zone there. Now, mind you, it's not every analysis I just pick up trades. So I rather wait for this to come and test it as a strong support. So I'm going to set my alert system. So as you can see, there's no point jumping to any trade. So let me look at one more trade. And the goal is to be able to spot the trade that is for the trading. The trading just means like 1 hour time frame downwards. Um, and because of the previous pump, you can see this market is still what high. I don't like markets going high to enter. So that did not meet up my what criteria. So looking down further, I can say okay, which other assets? Alice, Alice another assets. Can also look into Acro also. So I've actually set up all the parameters already, which is my own goal just to check. So see, 1 hour time frame is on the support level. So normally, as I said earlier on, look, the market has been climbing up. So if I'm going to enter this market for day trading purposes, not long term. I'm looking at short term. So I'm looking at a bounce of these zones here. So if price could bounce off these zones here, I can expect a continuation to where to the upside. So those are things I consider before I jump into any trade. So as you can see, this is what this is a high, low, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and higher low. So if I'm entering this, I rather wait for the price to prove that it's going to go up and break this place to the upside. So if price will break that to the upside, I'm fine. From this zone to this zone, you can see how easy it is. I'm able to spot my alerts. So let me just check this other one again. Acro. Wow, this is good. Anything that has been flattened, it is a strong support zone here. One, two. So now it's also good. So now, as I said, the first entry is where this zone here. The second entry with bricks to the side is this. About this is majorly spot trading. So our target should be where previous what resistant area here. You understand? So that should give us a good, at least a profit target of how much I'm wanting to from here to here. So now you see how easy it is. This is the 6%, which is like a short time trade. Understand? So we've done Steam, we've done Alex, we've done Acro. So you can see I'm able to do what spot all these things at a glance. So guys, just stay tuned. It's all about just so our first trade called is what Steam for spot trading. So if you want to get your account for the get it funded and follow analysis. And Alice is also good to buy. Now if Alice would break this where I won't enter is if it breaks up below this, I won't enter this market. That the trend that's what has changed. But as it is, once it touches here and start heading up here, the candlestick that forms here will determine if I'm going to jump into this market or not. As you can see, what is happening here is what we're looking into. See, which is good, but I need to verify this so to look like a face move, a face pump. So anything above this, we are good to go. You understand? So the last of this is this. So if you are looking at liquidity zones here, this is what you should look at for. But I prefer the market to do what to break above this. So trade calls for Steam, trade call for Alice, and trade call for Acro and VGX. So guys, in the next section about this, we're looking at our results. So look at probably if you're actually good in terms of our trading, actually in continuation to what you've said. This is our trade call for cryptocurrencies. Thank you.